Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for H3SZ068. This is a 2003 Suzuki Grand Vitara XL7. 1.4 valve V6. Got the typical lifter noise, but it runs really nice. I was kind of surprised it started up. This thing went through quite a little wreck. But a decent vehicle. Young girl owned it, got in an accident locally here. She's all right. Let's see here. We got 156,585 miles on it. Alrighty, and thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for H3SZ068. Thank you, and have a nice day.